Something new in the world of photography is in the making. Learn new camera skills. Discover new places. Perfect editing techniques. Get inside information.
Join me, Ruth Taylor, along with a host of industry experts as we bring you everything you need and want to know about the world of photography.
Follow us around the world.
From the landscapes of Utah
to Italian alpine meadows. And from the canals of Venice
to the heart of China.
As we journey with our cameras to the planet's most amazing locations. Photography Online is a fresh, new and exciting monthly programme coming to YouTube soon.